So you have this van.
Uh-huh.
Where's the first place you're gonna go?
My first thought is the Pacific Northwest.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, all the greens. And I grew up like in like cornfields, so it's like it'd be so fun to just explore the
for sure.
just the lush greens and the beaches and stuff.
Oh yeah, can't go wrong with the Pacific Northwest. Absolutely. What about you? You have this van. Where are you going first?
Honestly, I would love to take it to the Alabama Hills. I don't know if you guys ever been there, but the Alabama Hills is amazing.
Okay.
You can just camp out there for weeks, I feel like, and then just this would be perfect for it. I feel like it's high enough clearance just to get over all the, difficult terrain, and this is where I'll be.
And then so what I would do is I would just pull up, have this back end open, laying down, watching whatever view I have. That would be the best feature for me.
Yeah,
Hands
having
down.
those doors right there.